Bighorn sheep, with their majestic horns and rugged mountain habitats, are among the most iconic wildlife species in North America. These remarkable animals are not only known for their impressive physical characteristics, but also for their fascinating behaviors and adaptations that allow them to thrive in some of the continent's most challenging environments. One of the most striking features of bighorn sheep is, of course, their horns. Unlike antlers, which are shed annually, the horns of bighorn sheep are retained throughout their lives, growing continuously. In males, known as rams, the horns can spiral into a formidable curl, sometimes weighing over 30 pounds, which is more than all the bones in their bodies combined. Females, or ewes, also have horns, but they are shorter and less curved. The horns are not just for show, they play a crucial role in the social structure of bighorn sheep. Rams use their horns in dramatic battles for dominance and the right to mate with females. These clashes involve rams running at each other at speeds of up to 20 miles per hour, resulting in loud crashes that can be heard echoing through the mountains. Despite the violence of these encounters, serious injuries are rare thanks to the thick, bony skulls of the rams that absorb the impact. Bighorn sheep are superbly adapted to life in steep, rocky terrain. Their cloven hooves have a hard outer rim and a soft, concave pad in the middle that provides grip and precision, allowing them to navigate rocky cliffs with remarkable agility. This ability to move through their rugged habitat with ease is a key to their survival, offering escape routes from predators. The natural habitats of bighorn sheep are the mountain ranges of North America, from Canada's Rocky Mountains down through the western United States and into Mexico. These environments are not only physically demanding, but also subject to extreme weather conditions, from scorching summers to freezing winters, testing the bighorn sheep's adaptability to the fullest. Bighorn sheep are herbivores, and their diet consists mainly of grasses, herbs, and shrubs. The specific plants they consume can vary greatly depending on the season and their specific habitat. In the winter, when food is scarce, they may also eat mosses and even the soft, inner bark of trees. A lesser-known fact about bighorn sheep is their contribution to their ecosystem as keystone species. Their grazing habits help to shape the vegetation structure of their habitats, influencing the overall biodiversity of the area. Additionally, they serve as prey for mountain lions, bears, and wolves, playing a crucial role in the food web. Socially, bighorn sheep live in separate ram and ewe herds for most of the year. The rams form bachelor groups, while the ewes, lambs, and young rams stay together in nursery herds. These social structures play a critical role in their survival, offering protection from predators and facilitating the sharing of knowledge, such as the locations of water and food sources among the herd. The breeding season, or rut, takes place in the fall, when the rams join the ewe herds and compete for mates. This period is characterized not only by the dramatic head-butting contests, but also by a variety of behaviors aimed at impressing the ewes, including displays of strength and agility. Gestation in bighorn sheep lasts around 6 months, with most lambs born in the late spring. This timing ensures that the lambs arrive when the weather is milder and food is more abundant, increasing their chances of survival. Ewes typically give birth to one lamb, although twins can occasionally occur. Lamb survival is a critical factor for the population dynamics of bighorn sheep. Lambs are vulnerable to predation, and their survival depends on a combination of factors, including the availability of suitable habitat, the presence of predators, and the weather. Lambs are born with a soft, woolly coat and are able to walk within hours of birth, quickly becoming agile climbers like their parents. Bighorn sheep have a unique way of communicating with each other, using a combination of vocalizations, body postures, and chemical cues. This communication is vital for maintaining social bonds, establishing dominance hierarchies, and coordinating movements within the rugged terrain they inhabit. Conservation efforts for bighorn sheep have been ongoing for decades, as populations have faced significant challenges from habitat loss, disease, and competition with domestic livestock. These efforts include habitat restoration, research on disease management, and the careful regulation of hunting. One of the significant challenges facing bighorn sheep is the transmission of diseases from domestic sheep and goats. Diseases such as pneumonia can have devastating effects on bighorn populations, leading to large die-offs and long-term impacts on population recovery. Bighorn sheep are known for their remarkable resilience and ability to recover from population declines when given adequate protection and habitat management. This resilience, combined with targeted conservation efforts, offers hope for the future of these iconic animals. The cultural significance of bighorn sheep is evident in the rich history and traditions of many Native American tribes. For these cultures, bighorn sheep have been a source of sustenance, spiritual inspiration, and material for tools and clothing. Petroglyphs and pictographs depicting bighorn sheep, created by ancient peoples, can still be found throughout the American West, highlighting the long-standing relationship between humans and these majestic animals. Bighorn sheep are also a symbol of wilderness and conservation success stories. Their presence in an area is often seen as a sign of a healthy, functioning ecosystem, and their successful reintroduction into areas where they had been extirpated is celebrated as a triumph of conservation efforts. Despite their rugged exterior and tough lifestyle, bighorn sheep are susceptible to stress, particularly from human disturbances. Activities such as off-road vehicle use, development, and unsupervised domestic animal grazing can lead to habitat fragmentation and stress for bighorn sheep populations, underscoring the need for careful management of their habitats. Bighorn sheep have a relatively slow reproduction rate, which can make their populations vulnerable to rapid declines. This slow rate of population growth requires careful management and conservation strategies to ensure their long-term survival. The bighorn sheep's keen eyesight is one of its most important survival tools, allowing it to spot predators from great distances. This visual acuity, combined with their excellent hearing and sense of smell, makes them well-equipped to detect and evade threats in their environment. If you learned something from this video, please leave a comment below, click the like button, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.